Wow. Pintas nga view, tapos naimas nga merienda, papanampay.
You can see the weather outside. Seriously, it's 17 stability. This is the right stability. You can see anything, anywhere, and anyone. So way to Campsite Valley near Baguio City, Barangay 70. The way is straight to the top.
Champion talaga.
There's a champion. We're going up,
You're going down.
and down you can bring me up, 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 up. I don't hurry when I turn in much. You can use the a foggy afternoon here in Baguio City, the city where Baguio you see. Yeah. Oh, we're here at the Lavans Pharmacy, and there's the rapper. OG1.
Ano yan? Huawei na marong.
The best view here in Baguio City. Here at Valley Point, as you can see,
It's foggy outside.
the town is celebrating. Ay, mabala.
Pero Baliksam na na.
Right here at the Valley Point, as you see the outside surroundings, the town at the
Talaga eh.
quality.
Quality.
Ano sa niyo? Pag nilalang niyo doon. Oo, dapat. Siyempre, dapat ka lang nag-kusina, baka natuta.
Top.
Boss, thank you. Yaman lang na ito.
Oh, mas grabe.
Dito tumino.
Dabay naman, damay lang di boss.
Oh.
Wow. Pintas nga view, tapos naimas nga merienda, papanampay.
You can see the weather outside. Seriously, it's 17 stability. This is the right stability. You can see anything, anywhere, and anyone.
Lalit naman, ikaw lang.
17 stability. You can see anything.
Ah?
It's a blind spot. Blindfold. It's super it's not because we are balanced life. We like saying Valley Point for a very delicious pancit, not overcooked. It's Valley Point, brother of Smoke Point, Black Midi Laos na. Free pancit, overcooked. Free. It's the view here. It's very accommodation. It's the view here. You see? It's a very accommodation and population.
Away from the city.
Yeah. Oh. Hindi extra sa sito hapon eh. Grabe.
Let's go back.
Pang-reels na to eh. Oh. Siopag. Baro, si Hannes Siopag. Welcome to our rest house. Palanis Life Rest House. So this is fruit vlogging. You see? This is the rest house of Palanis Life. You're free to come here. Free accommodation.
Oh, meron tayong mga ano dito sa baba.
No, you speak English.
We have tender, tender, and over there.
Fruit vlogging.